Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Fortnite lag on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix Fortnite lag on the PlayStation 5, first of all, click on settings. And then once you do that, click on network. Then here you're gonna find connection status and also settings. Go ahead and click on settings and then disable and re-enable your connect to the internet, and then click on set up internet connection. Go to your Wi-Fi network and then click on option. Once you click on option, here you're gonna find advanced settings. Go ahead and click on it, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your Wi-Fi network. Go to DNS settings and then click on it. In default, it will be automatic. Make sure you switch it to manual and then go to primary DNS and set it to this address 8.8.8.8. Then go to secondary DNS and set it to 8.8.4.4. Once you finish, go ahead and click on done or click on R2 and then click on OK, and all of your changes will be saved. Just wait right now for the Wi-Fi to connect to the access point and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.